in your classrooms. Now, the next one is again quite important. The question of IT's alignment with the overall leadership of the management of the institution and the policy makers at a state level. They also have to fall in place if the acceptance has to happen, if the culture has to change. More online ethical and legal issues were cropping up. These were issues that we faced. Some of the quotes again around the challenges that we faced. At the University of Illinois, here Dr. Johnson was surprised to see instances of discourteous behavior. When in a class you tend to behave properly, you have a respect for your guru, but here what happens is there's a lot of discourteous behavior among students operating in the online environment. Perhaps due to the relative anonymity of that forum. You're just known by your name. Yeah? Students appear to take more liberties online than they would in the class. This is yet another thought that came up from Lieutenant Colonel Sobes, who said that they have to actually train cadets on intellectual property rights and online fact validation. There's a lot of information available online. What is right, what is wrong, how do you filter, and how do you use what is needed by you. And document sourcing and attribution. So what is it that the educator finally needs out of technology? You need tools to market. As I told you, I'm stressing on the administrator, less on the academia. The marketing, the global reach, handling admissions, alumni and corporate connect, which is the industry institution link up leading to recruitment, the evaluation, assessment or examination management, resource management, as I told you, manpower, fund, facility and others. And other day-to-day issues, day-to-day administration, your libraries, hostels, and a whole lot of things that are there on the campus. In the academic front, they also need improved offerings to meet global demands and standards. So this could be in the form of content, this could be in the form of learning management software, this could be in the form of programs, interdisciplinary or inter-institution, which was earlier discussed. So all these could be addressed with some form of college management systems and which are now available online, and the LMS that we've been speaking so much of. Yeah, there is a system that can track from your kindergarten right up to the masters as to how have you performed in a specific subject, how has your numerical capability been right through, your verbal capabilities right through. There are programs available to this extent. Yeah, and now I'll just quickly run you through what we as an organization do. If you look at, yes, there are about 6 or 7 circles around Everon. Not all are completely offerable as on date, but work is going on in this direction, and we have taken inputs from these researchers to kind of arrive at this diagram that you see here. All right, so more than about 65% of it is currently being offered to over 1,600 institutions of higher education in India. As technology adopters in India, we were the first in India to launch the VSAT mode of delivering education. We are today delivering it on the mobile as well. We've not gone fully commercial because I don't think we are, or rather I think we are in the very nascent stages. It will take some more time before I can deliver live sessions, live education delivery from one resource to many learners who are sitting in different places doing different things. Yeah, this has already started happening in some parts of the world. I guess India will also be one of the next adopters of this. Now, our platform, our technological platform, could deliver broadband, the classes through broadband, through the VSAT, or through the mobile. With the largest VSAT, company in the education space. That's about the programs we offer in the college space. As I told you, we are in about 1,600 colleges. We offer a lot of finishing and employability linked programs. And those are my coordinates. Thank you.